welcome to the brand new episode of Celebrity Talks. And ఇవాటి ఎపిసోడ్లో మన గెస్ట్ ఎవరో తెలుసా? జేసీఐ ఇండియాలో నేషనల్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అయినటువంటి అనీష్ మాథ్యూ సార్ మనతో ఉన్నారు. అసలు ఆయన వైజాగ్ ఎందుకు వచ్చారు, ఆయన ట్రిప్ విశేషాలు ఏంటో ఆయనతో మాట్లాడే ముందు మీకు ఇంకొక సర్ప్రైజింగ్ న్యూస్ ఏంటంటే, ఇవాళ మనతో పాటు మన వైజాగ్కి చెందిన రజిత పూసర్ల గారు జోన్ 4 ప్రెసిడెంట్ కింద ఉన్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు రజిత గారు మన్ని ఈ నేషనల్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు.
హలో వైజాగ్, నా పేరు రజిత పూసర్ల. నేను జోన్ 4 జేసీఐ ఇండియాకి జోన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఫర్ ది ఇయర్ 2020. ఈరోజు మన ముందు ఉన్నారు మన నేషనల్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ జేసీఐ ఇండియా, ద మోస్ట్ డైనమిక్ లీడర్ ఆఫ్ జేసీఐ ఇండియా, ద ఫస్ట్ PR మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ జేసీఐ ఇండియా and the flag bearer for the year 2020. We have Anish C. Mathew, our national president here.
Sir, welcome to the city of destiny.
Thank you.
So how are you, sir?
I'm very good.
Sir, is this your first visit to Visakhapatnam?
No, this is my second visit.
Okay, you have visited earlier.
Yes, and I think in February I have visited
Okay.
for a private function. I've been in Vizag.
So this is your first official visit to the city of destiny.
At that time also it has turned into a mixed. It's being like a JC official also it has mixed. So two new lamas inaugurated during that visit also.
Sir, what is your favorite place in Vizag?
At that time I've been through the Cornish side, so the beach side of Vizag. I feel that's good. We stayed near to that beach side only, so the look was so good. And the long beach way, I really love that.
Okay. Sir, apart from JCI, what is your profession?
I'm into business, the marketing and wholesaler of that cosmetics and stationery products.
Okay. Sir, your hobbies?
Hobbies: driving,
Driving long drives.
long drives. I'm a good foodie.
Sir, what is this JCI all about?
JCI is an organization to, if I'm talking about JCI, it will take more than 1 hour. So to be understand in a very crisp mode, I can say like it's an organization for youth from the age of 18 to 40 that helps a normal person to be an elite person, those who are a needy person or a most attractive person of the society. It will mold you in grooming, it will mold you in your styles, etiquettes, the way, the approaches, the way you manage, the attitudes. It's total transformation will happen to a person when being into JCI. Not only being into JCI, but actively joining in the JCI.
Okay. Sir, how old is this organization?
This is now 105 years old.
Okay. How many states are participating in this from India?
In India, almost 22 states are participating.
Okay. Do you call these states or is there any?
We have, for the ease of administration, we have bifurcated total India into 25 zones, and some zones consisting of 2-3 states, but some zones have some states having 4 zones also. In my home state, Kerala is having 4 zones. Tamil Nadu is having 4 zones. Karnataka having 3. Then it will sometimes it will be big, so zones are also there. It's based on the membership.
Okay. Sir, what about Andhra Pradesh?
Andhra Pradesh, it's a very good zone. Zone 4
Zone 4. Okay.
has contributed a lot to this organization in the form of leaders, in the form of trainers, in the form of lot of laurels and achievements got up into this organization.
Sir, are there any national presidents or national leaders like you from Visakhapatnam?
Yes, in 1994 we had a great leader known as Senator K.V. Ratnam, who was a great administrator as well as a great trainer also.
Okay. Sir, how do you feel sitting in this chair as a national president?
It's a hot seat, frankly speaking, but I really love this post because this is a voluntary organization and people should accept us to be a leader of this organization. I came without an election or anything, unanimously came to this post. So I'm very happy in this post, and I'm running this show in this difficult and challenging situations makes me a very good, happiest moment in my life. It is never forgotten because only 65 national presidents till now JC India has produced, so I became the 65th national president. So I'm very happy, and by daily being with this organization and my 50,000 families of entire India, I'm very privileged to be in this position.
Sir, so many people want to sit in this chair as a national president, but the opportunity comes to very few people. As you told, only 64 or 65 national presidents are there. Sir, can you share your success story?
Very good question. It's like a single day we are not coming into a national president. We to become in the post of a national president, we have different stages. Like we have to be a member of a local organization. From local organization, he have to take some post, then secretary, then he became a LOM president, a local organization president. After local organization president, he have to serve a zone. He must be a part of some zone. In Andhra means it is zone 4.
Zone 4.
So zone 4, he have to serve as a some zone vice president. It is an elected post. He have to serve this organization and attain a standard of performance. There is certificate from the national headquarters. He have to get that certificate. After that, some zones may directly get into the post of zone president. Zone president means he is the leader of that entire zone. Means just like what you seen in the Rajita Pusala, she was the leader of zone 4. From there, we have 25 zone presidents. I told you we have 25 zones. Yes. From there, every year we elected 5 executive vice presidents. It's like a national vice presidents. That executive vice presidents completing terms, then again go for, if he have age till 40, he can contest for the national president. What I feel, one of the quality, I means, I told you JC organization is it's a blend of training, administration, business, networking and everything. And I feel what one of the basic quality which I felt or I feel that is required is your attitude. Okay. Because being this is a voluntary organization, maybe lot of abilities are there, but attitude counts a lot in forming into a position of national president. Okay. It should be an acceptable one. He should blend with all the levels of in the society and community also. In India also we having LOMs charging 6 lakhs per year. Oh, LOMs is there. In there is also 2000 charging LOMs is also there. Okay. So we have to blend with each the category and let's move ahead.
So how many years are you going to sit in this position? Is there any time limit?
Only 1 year.
1 year.
This is purely a leadership building organization. You will get 1 year in each post. In that 1 year, you have to complete and you have to prove that you are a metal and you are committed to that post. Then sir, only he will be eligible for the next step.
Okay, okay. Sir, in this pandemic situation, what made you to motivate to visit, to travel across the country? Is there any motivation?
Yes, my 50,000 JC family members are waiting for me, and some moments because after the May, if I started traveling from September 1 onwards. Okay. I was very particular in my travels. I was telling everywhere there is no gathering. It's purely LOM visits. To meet the LOM grassroots members, it's not like a public show or anything. We need to just motivate our members because these people has run this organization in these difficult times. So it's my duty to thank them personally at least to run this organization in a great way.
Sir, coming to this travel, generally you will have restrictions at home. Especially I have, because when I go out, I have to take permission from my wife. What is the support that you get from your house and from your home?
Fully supportive to me. When I have my father is there in my home, he is 70 plus, and my wife and my kids are also there. Because as I told now, if I am holding a position, I have to commit to that. People can say some excuses and go ahead.
Yes.
The one great lesson which I learned from, you asked the past national president, K.V. Ratnam sir from this
yes.
Vizag.
Yes.
He was telling in the office, we have a candidate school. Before
okay.
becoming an MP, we have a candidate school. All the candidates of EVPs and MPs are there. So first point he was telling me that, not me, entire the crowd, he was telling me that you have to keep away the excuses. Then only you think of the post.
Okay.
If you are running for the excuses, you don't come for that.
Oh,
so
nice.
In that concept, I was also trying to preach everyone to becoming a post or leader. And this I told you, this is a voluntary organization. This is not a salaried staff or salaried post or anything.
Okay.
So 1 year you have to serve this organization, serve the society, and make the entire members alive.
Oh, very nice. Sir, what is your responsibility as a national president? What is the roles and responsibility you hold?
You have to coordinate the entire 1,450 local organizations in the India, and JCI is around more than 115 countries. So we have an international portfolio. I have to report with the JCI headquarters in USA. We have above me there is other superior officers like JCA Vice President, JCA EVP and JCA World President. This reporting is there. I have to coordinate my executive vice presidents and 25 zone presidents are there. Then look after the members there also. We have a structured system.
Sir, how many countries did you visit?
You are asking about my JC trip or my entire trip?
Entire life.
Entire life, you need to give me a little time. Minimum 20 to 25 plus countries I visited.
What is the difference you found between the countries, like especially in the youth? What is the different you found, counterpart youth, from Indian youth and other countries' youth?
In India, if you are talking about JCs in India, as a JC trip, I went to Korea, I went to Japan, I went to Hong Kong, and one more country, Estonia and Latvia, the European, Finland also we've been. So where I found is India is having lot of youth, but little bit target less, or maybe their guiding is little less. So that is what we JCs always said, we are an active citizens. We try to solve a problem not for an immediate purpose, it's to solve in a permanent process. So that we are imparting from a developing countries, because not developed countries, lot of developed countries are in JCA, and we take if you are taking in case of Japan, we had a meeting during this COVID period, what JC Japan and what India has done. I was really surprised by the activities of Japan. Their Prime Minister is a JCI. JC member. The Deputy Prime Minister is a JC member. So they are taking the decisions of JCA board. So they have given 16 recommendations, and Japan government has took out of the 16, 12 they have taken, and they are done in the society. So that much influential organization is JCA, and in a developed country. So you all know how developed Japan is. So in coming some days of tomorrow, our people also will be a crucial role in the running of the betterment of our country.
Okay. Sir, what JCI gives to a member?
JCI gives to, in a simple word, I told you in earlier itself, it's a simple word, it's a transformation. A transformation, a complete transformation of a person's entire vision to the world.
Sir, before closing, I have a last question for you. You are telling our Andhra Pradesh is Zone 4. Can you please tell me something about Zone 4?
Zone 4, your Chatpi, Zone 4, Rajita Posharla is always like a little sister to me. I always love to say that little sister, because she is like a little sister. And by the activities, I am very happy about her, because I told you we have some zone structures like zone vice presidents, zone presidents. But depending upon the members, we are giving the number of zone vice presidents.
Yes.
Here, this year, it is 5 zone vice presidents are there.
Okay.
So the membership is increased, then we will give another more. So this year we are giving one more as additional zone vice president, Zone 4. That itself, she has you can understand the mettle of that lady, even during these challenging situations, what she has done.
Okay. Okay.
Always it's an inspiring to be here and see the activities of Zone 4. Lot of activities are done during this pandemic situation.
Great.
And one LOM, what is the name of Maya's LOM? Vaisak Smart, I really need to appreciate Vaisak Smart, Maya, and they have done a social kitchen. That was my first appeal to my LOM members. You have, when the lockdown is announced, because India, 50% above people are running on daily wages.
Yes.
So instead of giving your something to a heap fund, you start a social kitchen and give food to others, and these people have done a lot of job during this period. So I'm very happy. I'm so happy. If you are asking about Zone 4, I'll have 1 hour to say each and every LOMs of that.
We have 1 hour time, but I think you doesn't have 1 hour time. Anyways, thank you so much for interacting with us, sir, and giving us time with your, in spite of your busy schedule.
Thank you, sir.
చూసారు కదా, ఇది ఇవాళ మన సెలబ్రిటీ టాక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ సెలబ్రిటీ టాక్స్ కోసం మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి మా ఛానల్ హలో వైజాగ్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో వచ్చినంత వరకు ఈ వీడియోని షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.